Okay guys, now this is a competition for all my bonuses for August. So I'm going to pick the winner in a moment, but please watch all the video, as if you've missed any one of my bonuses for July and you've only purchased once, then this is your last chance to purchase and get all my bonuses for July. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pick this winner. This winner will receive all my bonuses for August. All you need to do if you're lucky enough to win is open a support ticket and we'll get you set up. So good luck to everyone, and as always we do appreciate you entering these competitions very much. So good luck, and I'm going to pick the winner now. I'm going to choose from all comments, and here we go. Now the winner is Gordon Knoll. Hi Richard, once again, great giveaways, looking forward to the draw. Congratulations Noel, just open up a support ticket and we'll get you set up. Now please watch the rest of the video. What we're going to do is we're going to cover the Krowd offer plus our bonuses and take a look at the bonuses that we offered in July. Okay, so congratulations to that lucky winner. Now all you need to do is open up a support ticket and my team will get you set up with all the bonuses for August as they get released. Now, if you've purchased any of our products in July, if you've purchased 2 of our bonus packages, remember you can claim all our bonuses for this month. So all you need to do is open a support ticket with an email, that your registration email for Warrior Plus, or a JVZoo receipt that shows my name as the affiliate, and my team will get you set up with all the bonuses for July. Now if you've only purchased one product, one affiliate product, today is the last chance to actually claim all those bonuses. So I've got a link below and a very special bonus if you purchase through that link. And if you purchase and you've only purchased one previously, that means you get all the bonus packages for July. And I'm going to quickly run through the bonus packs that you've missed out on. So all you need to do is purchase below. You'll get that bonus package, and I'm going to walk you through that bonus package. Plus, you will get all the bonus packages that we offered for July, and I'm going to walk you through those as well. So, thanks for watching. Watch the rest of the video. So guys, if you've only purchased one bonus this month, and you want all my bonuses for July, and let me quickly show you all the bonuses that were included in July's package. I'll just scroll down here to the bottom. As you can see, let me open these in new tabs. Just see some of the bonuses. You know, you've got the loyalty bee, done a few loyalty business. As you can see, there's a huge bonus pack we had for the JavaScript commission bot. Same for Leads Gorilla. We had the SEO package here, the done for you SEO business software, the marketing pack, the health system, everything else with that as well. And then we had the Clip Magic one, which included all the reseller packs. So if you purchase today and you've only purchased one product, you get all those bonuses included, plus you get these bonuses included as well. So let me just walk you through this. To the top, you get the Easy Insta Links, which is the Insta Link system. You get the Insta Cash Funnel, which means you can sell the Easy Insta Links plus the 2 other Instagram software as well. You get all the thank you pages, sales pages, everything's ready to go. Plus you get the Social Package Special, which includes Social Studio and SpyTrack and all the funnel. You get Traffic Overload and the Traffic Overload Reseller. Plus you get the software funnel to go with that. The Done For You Membership Video Vault, the Done For You Membership App Vault, the Done For You Membership Sales Pages, the Done For You Membership Logo Design, and JVZoo Ninja, DM Takeover, and you get all these bonuses as well. So if you have missed any one of the other bonus packages and you've only purchased one, if you purchase today, you not only get that bonus package, but you get all these as well. So you get the JavaScript commission bot package, you get the Leads Gorilla bonus pack, and you also get the Clip Magic bonus pack as well. So It's an absolute huge package altogether. If you've only purchased one, purchase today and you get all of July's included. So now let's move on to Krowd, and you can see exactly what this does and how it can help you. So thanks for watching. Watch the rest of the video. Okay, so here we have our Pinterest account for our marketing account. Now, as you can see, just over the last 12 months, we've done over 2.5 million impressions, a 1.3 million audience, 183,000 engagement, and 96,000 engaged audience. You can see, this account is doing quite well. Now, the reason we got this account to be doing so well is what we did is we went out and looked at what other accounts were doing, what other Pinterest accounts were doing, took their best performing pins and kind of sent them off to designers and asked them to kind of emulate those pins to make them, similar, so we could start posting them. Because if those pins are working, those pins are working on other Pinterest accounts, that people are clicking, liking them, sharing them, pinning them to the boards. There's a good chance if you kind of create those pins, even make them better, you're going to get those, a similar kind of audience doing that. So now you can see, obviously, Pinterest works over just over 12 months, 2.5 million impressions and 183,000 engagements. And this is 99% free traffic. We did promote a couple of pins right at the beginning of the account. We probably spent about $15 doing that, just to give those pins a boost. And then once you get those pins to have a boost, a bit of kind of traction, the traffic does carry on. So now let's jump across to Krowd. Krowd is a Pinterest system. It helps you look for the good performing pins and emulate those pins for your own account. It's a very simple system to use. I've already started using this for some of our accounts, but let me show you how to do this. It's just create a new account. So let's call this video. So click submit. So let's excuse me, add in the keyword to search for. So let's search for marketing. Hit search. Now, what this does, it gives you the best performing pins, the ones that are getting the good engagement, the one that people are liking, sharing, pinning. And then what you can do is you can add those to your inspiration boards. So let's add this one. Let's add this one and this one here. You can add 3 to your board. What you do is click next. Then, as you can see here, you've got your inspirations, for you to create your own kind of pins that match those, not perfectly, but just gives you kind of a little bit of inspiration. So let's look for an image. Let's look for the pin that we're going to match. We'll go with this one with the computer. So let's search for computer. See if we can find an image that matches that. It's just somebody searching on a computer. In fact, let's search for computer bed. See if there's if not, this other one will do quite well. That's quite good. It's very, very similar. So go back to the inspiration. You can see it's very similar. Somebody type in on the hands in bed. And what we need to do is I need to add some text to that. So this is how to rock your social media engagement. So just let's click text. So let's how to rock your social media engagement. So we'll center that, move it to the middle of the pin, make that a touch bigger, change the colour so it stands out a little bit better. In fact, we'll put it on the black, on the white there. Now, as you can see there, it took me kind of a couple of minutes to emulate one of those pins that's getting a lot of engagement and that's working in that niche. Now you can add other things on there as well if you want, like icons, text. You can move it around, you can make it bold, you can change the font, whatever you want really. So let's change the font. Okay, let's move that across so it just fits a little bit better. In fact, we need to just make it a touch smaller because of the font. And there, that pin's done. You can use that pin then. So all you need to do is click Save Image. Image is saved. Click Publish Post. Just give it a minute to create. Then what you can do is then you can add in your description, or you can go back to the post, this one here, and all you need to do is click there. That brings up the description directly into there, and then you add in your destination link for wherever you want that to go. Then you just can post it then, or you can schedule it for later. So that's a really simple tool for creating pins, you know, that are working on Pinterest now and people are engaging with, sharing with and repinning. So thanks for watching, and remember, if you've only purchased one bonus this month, all you need to do is purchase Krowd through my link. Then you will get access to all the bonuses for July, plus the mastermind as well. So thanks for watching. Watch out for the next video.